You will learn to calculate weighted average using two examples. I will calculate weighted average for the tasks which are completed. Example number 2. I will calculate weighted average and normal average of a score sheet. Let's start the tutorial. In both examples, I will use SUMPRODUCT and SUM functions. There's a multiple choice question for you at the end of this video, so don't miss any part. There are task lists with their completion percentage and importance level is from 1 to 10. Now, I will find out the completion weighted average using SUMPRODUCT and SUM functions. So watch. Starting SUMPRODUCT function. Now, select the full range of completion percentage as array 1. And select full range of importance level as array 2. Now divide by sum, divide by the importance level to get the completion weighted average. Then we have got the completion weighted average, which is 50.05. Look, if I change the completion percentage, the weighted average changed too. Let's move to the example number 2. There are activities list with grade and weighted percentage. I will complete normal average of grade range and completion weighted average. So watch. Simple. For the average calculation, open average function and select the grade range. Yeah, now we have got the normal average, which is 75.40. So now I will complete the completion weighted average, same as example 1. Select full range of grade as array 1 and select the weight percentage range as array 2. Same as the previous one, divide by sum of weight percentage. Sum and select the full range of weight. Yeah, now I have got completion weighted average. Question: what is the formula combination to calculate weighted average? Write your answer as A, B or C in the comment box. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned for the tutorial you were looking. Subscribe this channel for more Excel related videos.